In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your 1099 forms on QuickBooks Online. It's a simple process that you can complete in just a few minutes, making tax time a little less stressful. So let's dive right into the easy steps you need to follow. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to open QuickBooks Online in your web browser. Once the site is loaded, take a look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. This will bring you to the login page where you need to enter your credentials. Now type in your email address and your password into the respective fields. Make sure you double check your entries to avoid any errors because a small typo can keep you from logging in. Once you've entered your details correctly, click on Sign In again to access your account. If you happen to forget your password, there's an option to reset it, so don't worry too much about that. After successfully logging in, the next step is to navigate to the Taxes section. This is your hub for managing all things tax related, and it can be easily accessed via the main menu. Clicking on Taxes will direct you to a new page dedicated to tax functions within QuickBooks Online. On this new page, you should see an option labelled 1099 Filings. By selecting this, you're taking another step closer to accessing your 1099 forms. Remember, these forms are crucial for independent contractors, freelancers, and small business owners as they report the total annual payments you made to contractors. Once you're on the 1099 filings page, you'll see options to change the view year. This is particularly useful if you're looking for 1099 forms from previous years. Simply select the year you're interested in from the drop-down menu. This feature ensures you have access to the specific year's financial records, which is particularly handy for any discrepancies or audits that might arise. Now that you've narrowed down to the correct year, it's time to add your filters. This step allows you to tailor what you see so that it's most beneficial and relevant to your needs. You can filter the information to show exactly what you're looking for by choosing specific contractor names, payment criteria, or other relevant details. Finally, once you've set all your preferences, click on Apply. This action will refresh the page to display the filtered results, giving you a clear view of the 1099 details you requested. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently find and review your 1099 forms using QuickBooks Online. Just remember to save any necessary documents for your records and, as always, keep everything secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips.